Central nervous system. The central nervous system consists of the brain, spinal cord, and a complex network of neurons. This system is responsible for sending, receiving, and interpreting information throughout all parts of the body. Your CNS controls every thought and movement in the body, making it extremely important to maintain its health. Extensive training without sufficient rest increases the risk of damage to your CNS. Most cells in your CNS cannot be repaired or renewed and can lose some of its abilities. Signs of damage include difficulty with physical activity, recovering, comprehending information, and other symptoms. The CNS is at an increased risk for damage while consuming fewer calories than normal, which emphasizes the need for sufficient nutrients and recovery while dieting. Just like the muscular system, your CNS can be overworked. Yet with proper nutrition and efficient training you can protect and maintain the health of your central nervous system. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.